create a new frame for this mirror, I used Salvage Stair spindles, which I had in my inventory. And I modified these spindles by using one of my very favorite tools, this super light and compact Bosch Router. Now, I've tried other routers in the past and I've found them very bulky and heavy and cumbersome for me to use. And I do have very small hands, so that could be part of the problem. But this little Bosch Router that is battery, it's on battery rather than electric. It's so easy to handle and it is fabulous and fun to actually use. I look forward to using it. So what I did was I routered out a ledge to sit on top of the mirror and then the other part of the chair spindle to sit on the backing of this salvaged mirror.